I just got this Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I will tell you, I've tried a few different balms, and this one is my absolute favorite at the moment. So I love the way that it smells. It's also in a glass jar, which is awesome, but it really does have the most melty, um, texture. So a few other ones were a little bit harsh and harder to melt into my skin, but this instant it touches your fingers, it just starts melting. It's a good size container. It is glass, and I mean, the color is really cute too, but I really like it. Takes off my mascara really well, doesn't leave any irritation behind, and I'm a big fan. So if you're looking for a new one to try, definitely suggest giving this one a try. Happy shopping. Linked below if you need to know where to find it. All right. I linked it on my Amazon page, which is where I got it. Also on Sephora, in case you like shopping on one or the other to get your reward points.